Hey lovies, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. For those of you that are new here, welcome. And for those of you that's been rocking with me for some time now, I appreciate you. So if you clicked on this video, then obviously you're interested in knowing the tip, the one thing that you can do that will maximize your hair growth in 7 days. Yeah, I said it. In 7 days. If you do this and you're consistent with it, you will see some growth. Okay? So do y'all want to know what it is? Do you want to know what it is? I can't hear you. Do you want to know what it is? It's scalp stimulation. Yes. Scalp stimulation, y'all. If you massage your scalp every day for 7 days in the inversion method with your head down, you will stimulate blood and circulate blood to your scalp and to your follicles, helping to nourish your hair follicles, okay? Not only is this going to nourish your hair follicles, but it's also going to help with scalp health, okay? And we all know scalp health is important. I stress this over and over and over in all of my videos. So I've been doing this and I've been seeing great results. So what you're going to do is every day when you have some time, you can either lay on your bed and hang your head over your bed, off the edge of your bed, and you can stay like that for 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes, and you're going to massage your scalp. You can do this in a circular motion, or you can do it in an up and down motion, like this, okay? You want to make sure you're doing it with the balls of your fingers. Not your nails. So you're not scratching, you're just gently massaging like this. If you choose to do it in a circular motion, okay? If you want, you can do it in the up and down motion. You want to go up and down, up and down. You want to go to the back, up and down. You can go to the side, up and down, and you can also do your edges and your nape area. When I'm telling y'all, this works, okay? It really does work. Let me read you the definition to scalp stimulation. It says scalp stimulation refers to a technique that aims to improve scalp health and promote hair growth. This helps to increase blood flow to your scalp. Okay, so yeah, what I've been doing is I've been holding my head down. I will stand up. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I will stand up. I hold my head down like that. I just do basically what I told you guys to do. Do that every day for 7 days. If you want, you can even measure your hair growth to see how much your hair grows. Now, you're not going to be Rapunzel at the end of 7 days, but this will help to wake up those follicles, especially if your follicles are asleep. You have hair that's like dormant, that's struggling to actually push through your scalp. This is going to really help because the blood is going to help to push those hair strands and get that hair follicle, wakened up and actually help your hair to grow, okay? If you're someone who likes to apply oil to your scalp, you can get your favorite oil. You can make you a DIY oil concoction so you can actually go ahead and do this. It's good to do it when you got your protective style in. If your hair is loose and you're relaxed and you want to do it then, you can go ahead and you can do it with your hair, out, and then just go ahead and wrap your hair right after. If you're going to be using the oil, I don't really use the oil, but I just, scalp massage my hair the way it is. But if you're using some kind of oil or some kind of grease or something like that, I would suggest you to do that every other day, okay? So don't put the oil in your scalp every single day. And then at the end of the week, you want to be washing your hair because, of course, you're going to have, all that oil in your hair. So if you're going to do it on a Monday, put the oil in your hair. Tuesday, don't put no oil. Wednesday, you can put a little bit more oil because, remember, you're doing this every single day. But you're going to be oiling every other day if you're somebody that's going to be oiling your scalp, okay? So do this for 7 days. Hang your head over for 5 minutes in the inversion method. And also, I'm going to post up a picture right here of some pressure points that's in the scalp that if you was to stimulate those, pressure points and press on those pressure points, they help with so many different things. There's so many wonderful benefits attached to that, okay? It releases, tension, it releases stress, migraines, and all of that good stuff, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, I ask that you give it a thumbs up. I ask that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.